Come on, y'all. We're going back to Smithfield chicken and barbecue, but this time we're trying the barbecue chicken with no flour, he said. And then we got some fries, and then we got some coleslaw. Okay, we got a combination. So we're going to dig into it, and I'm going to let you know, should you try it or not. See you in the next clip. Our barbecue chicken comes into a tray like this. I thought it came on a regular tray. I like the way they separated it. Let's see what it looked like on the inside. This is what the barbecue chicken, it smells good. I hope it tastes good. Barbecue chicken, Smithfield chicken and barbecue. I got the white meat. Let's try it out. Like I said, it smells amazing. It's tender. It pulls right apart. I got the skin part. Girl. I got a little bit too much juice. It kind of got the chicken. The chicken could be a little bit more tender on the inside. That's overcooked. It's tough. Barbecue chicken, that's the breast. Let's see what we got with the wing. The sauce is too vinegary for me. Real strong. Let's see what this wing got. The wing is good. Not not overcooked. Y'all, that sauce. Ooh, they got too much vinegar. The sauce for the barbecue chicken is good. But for me, it's a no. It's good, but it's so vinegary. Too much. But I got sweet tea. This is good. See you in the next clip when we try the barbecue. On this, we got barbecue, hush puppies, coleslaw, and potato string french fries. If you're looking for some good barbecue, Smithfield chicken and barbecue in North Carolina, make sure you visit that spot. Okay? See you in the next clip. All right, y'all, let's get into the barbecue, pork barbecue, coleslaw and fries, and the hush puppies. I don't do pork barbecue like that. I mainly do turkey, but Smithfield chicken and barbecue do not sell turkey barbecue, and they really need to get that on their menu. But let's try. And then she didn't give me a fork, she gave me a spoon. Who eats barbecue with a spoon, y'all? Who? I thought maybe it was a spork, the one that has the little fork things on the end, but it's not. It's a whole spoon. Let's try the barbecue, if I can pick it up. Barbecue. Yeah, barbecue always hit. Coleslaw. Okay. I should have stuck with me some fried chicken instead of that barbecue chicken. As I said, the sauce is good, but it has too much vinegar in it. It's very vinegary. If you like a lot of vinegar in your vinegar sauce, that's the one for you. It's for you. And this right here, with the little hush puppy, maybe back to a little fry. And that's worth the ride. And that's worth the visit. So y'all make sure y'all come on back. Hit that follow, hit that subscribe. And come on and see where Michelle Talks next venture gonna be. If you have somewhere you want me to try out or shop at or something like that, drop it in the comments. And I'll swing by there soon. Until the next video, make sure you follow Michelle Talks.